In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're creating a dynamic presentation, an interactive ebook, or just looking to enhance any PDF document, embedding video can add that extra layer of engagement and information for your audience. Let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to take to seamlessly integrate video content into your PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. First, you'll want to begin by opening your desired PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. If you haven't already selected a PDF, take a moment now to open the document that you'd like to enhance with video content. Once your PDF is open, look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the option labeled All Tools. Clicking this will open a variety of tools available to you. Next, you want to find the option labeled View More. This could be located under different categories depending on your Acrobat version or any custom setups you might have. By selecting View More, you'll expand the toolset, offering you further options to enhance your PDF. Once you've expanded your tools, look for the option to Add Rich Media. This is a crucial step because it's what allows you to embed multimedia elements into your document. Click on Add Rich Media to proceed further. At this point, you're ready to decide where you want your video to appear within the PDF. You can either drag your cursor to create a designated area or double click on a specific spot in the document itself. This helps you control both the size and location of where your video will be placed, allowing for a customized appearance that suits your document's layout. After designating the area, a dialog box will pop up. This box will give you the option to browse, which you'll need to click in order to select your desired video file. This step is essential as it's where you specify which video to include. Finally, navigate through your files, select the video that you want to embed, and click Open. With this, Adobe Acrobat will import your chosen video into the document. Once embedded, you can adjust the size and positioning further if needed. Additionally, you can set playback options like starting automatically or playing on a click by exploring further settings within the Acrobat interface. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to embedding a video in Adobe Acrobat. By following these steps, you can create interactive, media-rich PDFs that captivate and inform your audience. Don't forget to save your document after embedding the video to ensure all your changes are preserved. Thanks for watching and happy creating.